Michelle Urban with Pressure Analysis Company.
I put it down, representing for my team. I'm in green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow. Go back, go. Go back, go. We yelling, go back, go. Yeah. Like I said, this ain't a diss song. I just love my team. Yeah, that's the team with them big G's on the helmet. You know what it is.
So let me hear you cheer if you watched the Women's World Cup this year. It was exciting, wasn't it? The reason we love sports is because it makes us feel like we're part of the team, like we're winning the game. But we also cringe when athletes get injured. Just like in the semifinal game when these two athletes collided heads. But within minutes, they were evaluated by doctors and they were back on the field playing for the rest of the game. Neither was diagnosed with a concussion, and they both said they felt great despite being dazed and bloody. And while they may think they're okay, and we think they're okay, they really may not be as lucky as we think. Because pictured here are just a few athletes that have died tragic and sometimes violent deaths, ranging from murder-suicide to dementia. And after their deaths, they were found to have a fatal brain disease called CTE, and it's caused by repetitive hits to the head. And not all of these athletes had a history of concussion. So here's the problem. It's that too much focus is being placed on concussions alone when it's being shown every single hit to the head matters. My name is Michelle Urban, and I'm the CEO of Pressure Analysis Company. And I'm here to tell you about our solution, SmackCAP Athlytics. We track every hit, every time for athletes in contact sports. So here's how it works. Our sensors are embedded into the SmackCAP skullcap that's a breathable, flexible material that fits closely to the head. Athletes can wear the SmackCAP with or without a helmet, and every time they're impacted, that data is wirelessly transmitted to our mobile application where sideline staff can view those hits in real time. The data is also stored in the cloud, so when the game is over, sideline staff can download an impact scorecard on each athlete, showing where, how hard, and how many times an athlete was hit over the course of the game, the season, and their career. We're bringing this system to market because our sensors more accurately and directly measure the impact. Other accelerometer-based sensors, they're merely guessing, and they often miss those critical small hits. Our technology is patent pending, and we have the exclusive option to license from STC. Our sensors were tested at Los Alamos National Laboratory, and this is where we found them to be more accurate and more sensitive than the competition. And this means we're not guessing. The University of New Mexico football team has agreed to be our testing partners. Let's hear it for the Lobos. And we have a strategic partnership with Albuquerque's professional arena football team, the Duke City Gladiators. Let's hear it for the Gladiators. SmackCAP Athlytics stands apart from the rest. All of the other sensors are not only guessing, but they're often set to detect only the hardest hits. But because our sensors are more sensitive and more accurate, we're able to detect every hit, every time, no matter how hard or how soft. Football at all levels is facing significant liabilities with billions of dollars at stake in legal costs. Soccer, rugby, and lacrosse, all of these sports are gaining in popularity, and they're also facing the same injuries and the same risks. On through the rest of this year, our testing partners are enabling us to validate our data even further by getting multiple skull caps onto the field. From here, we'll be able to leverage our strategic partnership, which includes extensive marketing, advertising, and promotional support that'll gear us up for a big sales push. Then we'll be able to expand our partnerships to organizations such as the NCAA and the NFL, and this will make our data more attractive to helmet manufacturers, healthcare providers, and schools. And with good market penetration, we'll be able to position ourselves as a prime acquisition target for any one of the top sports brands. Under Armour, for example, their last 3 acquisitions were data companies just like us, and they totaled over $700 million. And as we continue to show the accuracy of our data and its value, helmet manufacturers are likely to become another exit opportunity. I am so excited to be a part of the team that's going to take us to the next level. I have an MBA from UNM with a focus in management of technology. An Lee, our CTO, is leading product development, and he's finishing his PhD at UNM in nanoscience and microsystems engineering. We are so lucky to have the board of directors and technical advisors that we do. Lori Upham has brought 2 companies from startup to exit and is helping us with our fundraising. Scott Sibbett is the inventor of our technology and an active member of our product development team. Brian Anderson was the lead researcher who tested our sensors at Los Alamos National Laboratory, and Reed Selwyn is studying traumatic brain injury at UNM, and he's using our sensors in his research. So please visit our website at epactechnologies.com. Sign up for pre-orders or fill out our contact form and tell us you're a fan of PAC. You can also find us on social media, testing with the Lobos this fall, and monitoring the Duke City Gladiators at the beginning of their 2nd season, beginning in February 2016. Thank you.